Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. It's 7:30 a.m. and Adam opens his eyes slowly. He looks at the clock, then sits up on the bed and suddenly jumps up.
Oh no, I'm late.
His heart racing. He was supposed to wake up at 6:30, but now he only has 30 minutes to get ready and go to work. Adam quickly runs to the bathroom, but there's no water.
What? No water?
He says, frustrated. The water is off today, so he can't take a shower. He gets dressed quickly, not paying much attention, and runs to the kitchen. But when he opens the cupboard, he realizes there's no coffee. Adam needs coffee to focus, but now he has to go to work without it. He grabs his bag and rushes out the door. He heads to the bus station, but just as he steps outside, it starts to rain.
Seriously, I have no umbrella.
He says. He waits at the bus station, watching the rain fall harder, hoping the bus will come soon. But the bus never comes. So, Adam decides to walk to work, even though he's tired and hungry. When he finally arrives at the office, it's empty. He stops and then remembers.
Oh my God, today is Saturday. There's no work today.
Adam sighs and feels upset. With a heavy heart, he starts walking home in despair, his steps slow and heavy as the rain continues to fall around him.
Oh, what a day. Maybe tomorrow will be better. A bad day does not mean a bad life.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. What time does Adam wake up? 6:30 a.m. B. 7:30 a.m. C. 8:30 a.m. 2. Why can't Adam take a shower? He is late. B. The water is off. C. The bathroom is closed. 3. What does Adam remember at the office? He is early. B. He forgot his bag. C. Today is Saturday.
Early, early, late, late, slowly, slowly, quickly, quickly, rain, rain, umbrella, umbrella. What a day, what a day. Empty, empty, rush, rush, frustrated, frustrated, bus station, bus station, stressed, stressed, upset, upset, tired, tired, sigh, sigh. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.